Now we go to the 4 things a husband loves in his wife. Number 1, on top of the list, there is nothing more important than this. Number 1, sisters, respect. Now you might say, but what about me? I need respect too. Yes. The respect we're talking about with the man is a little bit different. It's a little bit stronger. It's a little bit more serious. What are we talking about respect here? Respect his leadership. Respect that he's your protector. Respect that he's your provider. The duty which Allah gave him, that 1 extra degree. Respect that. Don't put him down. Don't say, look at your brother. Look at those other guys. They buy this and that for their wives. You're nothing. You're a stingy person, among other words. You're a lazy, fat, obnoxious, blah, blah, blah. You never. Ya akhti, really, never? Come on. At least 1 out of 1,000. Never? Always? You always? Never, always. Take it easy. At the same time, men, just let it go. Don't hold on to those words. That's how women, they like to express. That's fine. But sister, respect. Respect his, the fact that he is the leader of the house, the protector and the maintainer. I think sisters understand this in their nature. Number 2, the man likes his wife to look good for him. He likes his wife to look good for him. This creates a bond in your relationship. The biggest thing a man hates is when a wife looks bad for him at home and looks good for everyone else outside. She looks amazing outside, and then he starts thinking, the shaitan comes to him, sisters, and he says to the man, look at her, she's not really there for you. What did you get married for? When she's outside, everyone enjoys the way she looks. When she's inside, you don't get to enjoy the way she looks. And that's when he starts looking elsewhere. So this is Ibn Abbas radiallahu anhu. He used to say, when people visited him, he would open the door and he would look really nice, better than outside. And they said to him, why do you do that, Ibn Abbas? He says, إني أحب أن أتزين لزوجتي كما تتزين لي. I like to look good for my wife as she looks good for me. So that's very important. Number 4, shows confidence in him and his abilities. So the sister appreciates his efforts, she appreciates his help, she appreciates his tiredness. I said this last time, that randomly say to your husband, just out of the blue, once every week, once every 2 weeks, once every 3 weeks, once every month, I appreciate your effort, wallah, I couldn't do it without you. Subhanallah, the stuff that you're doing, say it. He's your husband, say it. Wallahi, you will pump him up and make him amazing. Your words go a long way. Don't get stingy with words. He's your husband. For a man, it means a lot. I'm telling you, it means a lot. Number 4, she speaks well of him to her family and his family. She doesn't go to her mum and dad and says, man, he's a this and he's a that, and complains night and day. No. You will make your life hell. Not from him, from your family. Every time you get along with your husband, you go back, what? He doesn't deserve it. And your sisters play a role, your brothers play a role, your father and mother play, your cousins play a role. Suddenly everybody's involved in your life. Why? Because you let it out. You went and told them. Same with the husbands. And lastly, physical touches. Men love physical touches from their wife. I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to keep us protected from whispers and to keep us guided and safeguard us all. Ameen.